In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit footer in WordPress 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your site's editor, select the correct footer block, fine-tune its width, positioning, and advanced settings, and then safely save and publish your changes. Start by opening the site editor from your WordPress dashboard so you're looking at your homepage within the editor. This gives you live context as you work. If you see an option to edit navigation across the top toolbar, click it to enter full editing mode, ensuring the entire canvas is interactive. Now, scroll to the bottom of the page and click directly on your footer. If you only select a single element, click again until the outline wraps the entire footer area. Your goal is to select the parent group or template part for the footer so changes apply consistently. If selection feels tricky, the list view in the top toolbar can help you jump straight to the footer group. With the footer selected, look to the right sidebar for block settings. Open the content width control. Here, choose the width that suits your design, such as constrained, wide, or full. This sets how far your footer stretches across the page and helps align it with your overall layout. Take a moment to review the preview as you change it, so text and links stay readable. Next, find the position section. By default, it may be set to default. Open it and switch to sticky if you want the footer to remain visible as visitors scroll. Sticky can be useful for persistent calls to action or contact info. If you change your mind, you can always switch back to default. After adjusting position, open the Advanced panel. Use padding and margin to refine spacing so your footer contents aren't cramped or floating too far from the page edge. For style consistency, open the Styles panel for the footer block, then go into its advanced area as well. Confirm your position and sticky settings here, and ensure any style variations of the footer inherit the same behavior. This helps avoid surprises when templates or patterns change. When you're satisfied, click Save. WordPress may ask you to confirm which changes to apply. Click Save again to finalize. Return to your main dashboard or All Sites view, and, if prompted, click Launch or Publish so the changes